Hello friends, let us learn something new. Before proceeding, we suggest you to take the screenshot of important pages that will help you to make the notes of your subject. So, let us begin. And today's topic is classification of triangles. Look at some triangles. We can classify the triangles in two ways. The first method is classification based on angles. Second one, the classification based on the sides of triangle. So, let us start with first type on the basis of angles, how we classify the triangles. Here, three cases arise. Case 1, when all the three angles of the triangle are less than 90 degree. Look at the figure. Triangle LMN is given with angle L 30 degree, angle M 70 degree, angle N 80 degree. So all the three angles are acute, less than 90 degree. So the name of this triangle will be acute angle triangle. Second case, when one of the angles of triangle is a right angle. In the figure, triangle DEF has angle F 90 degree. So the name of this type of triangle is right angled triangle. In third type of triangles, one of the angle is more than 90 degree. Look at the figure. Triangle GHK. It has got three angles as angle K equal to 30 degree, angle G is equal to 40 degree and angle H is equal to 110 degrees. So here angle H is 110 degree, means more than 90 degree. Therefore, the name of this type of triangle is obtuse angled triangle. So, on the basis of angles of triangle, we have got three types of triangles: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Now we revise our topic with the help of some sums. Before doing the sums, let us take the screenshot of this page. Try yourself to find the answers. Have you done? So now let us discuss the correct answers. In first part, triangle XYZ is given, in which angle X is 30 degree, angle Y is 60 degree and angle Z is 90 degree. So triangle XYZ is a dash triangle. We see clearly that angle Z is 90 degree and name of such triangle whose one angle is 90 degree is right angle triangle. Here first fill up answer is right angle triangle. The second one, in triangle ABC, angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 55 degree and angle C is 80 degrees. So all the three angles in this triangle are less than 90 degree, means they are all acute. So the name of this triangle ABC is acute angle triangle. The third fill up, in triangle PQR, angle P is given 100 degrees, angle Q 30 degrees and angle R is 50 degree. Then triangle PQR is a dash triangle. Clearly here one angle is more than 90 degree. Which one? Yes, angle P. Angle P is 100 degree. It is greater than 90 degree. So the name of this triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. We have got all the answers with us. Please take the screenshot of this page also with the answers. Next, we classify the triangles on the basis of its sides. Here also we discuss three cases. The case 1 is when all the three sides of the triangle are of different measure. Look at the figure. In triangle ABC, side AB is 6 cm, side AC is 8 cm and side BC is 7 cm. Such type of triangles whose all the three sides are different is called scalene triangle. Here triangle ABC is scalene. Second type is the triangle in which two sides are of equal measure. From figure, triangle QPR has got QP side and QR side of same measure, that is 5 cm, but PR side is of different measure. The triangle with two sides equal is called isosceles triangle. Triangle PQR here is isosceles. The third type of triangle on the basis of its side is the triangle having all the three sides of equal measure. Look at the figure. Triangle XYZ has got three sides, XY 6 cm, YZ 6 cm, XZ also 6 cm. The name of this type of triangle is equilateral triangle. Let us revise this topic also. Again, we have got a few fill-ups to check our knowledge. Before that, please take the screenshot. Now let us try to find the answers. The first question, in triangle PQR, side PQ is 7 cm, side QR is 3 cm, side RP is 4 cm. Then the name of triangle PQR is dash. We can see that all the three sides have different measures, 7 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm. So the name of this type of triangle will be scalene triangle. Second one, in triangle KLM, given is side LM is equal to side KL is equal to side KM, all equal to 6.5 cm. Then the name of triangle KLM will be dash. We remember, if all the three sides of a given triangle are equal, then such a triangle is called equilateral triangle. Therefore, in second fill-up, the correct answer is equilateral triangle. The third one, in triangle ABC, side AB is 3.5 cm, side BC is 3.5 cm and side CA is 6 cm. So, name of this triangle is dash. Here we see that side AB and side BC have same measure 3.5 cm, but side CA is different, it is 6 cm. So, two sides AB and BC have same length and we have studied its name is isosceles triangle. Friends, we hope you have understood the classification of triangles in both ways, on the basis of its sides and on the basis of its angles. Have you taken the screenshot of this page with answers? If you have any problem regarding this topic, you may contact us. Our mail ID and Twitter account is given in our description box. Please subscribe our channel and do not forget to press the bell button. This will help you to get our notification of latest videos. Share this topic with your friends also to facilitate them. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.